Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed about food for us. Just recap that chapter. What are the things we studied in the last class? Yes, we need food to live and grow. Then we get food from plants and animals. Then, the three types of food groups. Which are the three types of food groups? Energy giving food, productive food and body building food. Then, what is balanced diet? Yes, a balanced diet includes the right amount of food from each food group. That is called balanced diet. And next we studied about water. Water is a very important part of our body or important part of our food. We should follow good food habits. Which are the good food habits we have to follow? Yes, eat fresh and covered food. Drink lots of water. Then eat meals at regular intervals. Okay, these are things we studied in the last class. Now we are going to the practice time. Or if you take your EVS textbook and take page number 20. Did you take it? Yes. Tick the correct option. The first one. Which of the following food items can make us sick if we eat it daily 3-4 times? Milk, fruits, burger or vegetables? Yes. Which of the following food items can make us sick? Yes, option C, burger. Option C, burger. Then that option C you have to take it. The second one, which meal will you take at 9 a.m.? Lunch, breakfast, dinner or junk food? Which meal will you take at 9 a.m.? Yes, you have to eat breakfast. Okay, second one B. Okay, second question B you have to eat. You have to tick. The third one, which of these helps our bones, teeth and muscles grow strong? A. Milk, B. Rice, C. Butter, D. Fruits. Which of these helps our bones, teeth and muscles grow strong? Yes, very good. Option A, milk. Then fourth one, which food vegetarian people do not take? Which food vegetarian people do not take? Option A, milk, B, meat, C, fruits, D, vegetables. Yes, the second one, B, meat. And the last one, which of these is not an energy giving food? Potato, bread, pulses, wheat. Which is not energy giving food? Which is not energy giving food? Yes, C, pulses. Pulses is not an energy giving food. Okay. Then the second one, tick true or false. The first one, French fries is a productive food. True or false? Yes, very good. False. Why? It is wrong. Yeah, French fries is a energy giving food. It is not a productive food. French fries is a energy giving food. The second one, milk keeps our teeth strong. Milk keeps our teeth strong. True or false? Yes, true. Very good. We should eat pizza daily. Daily we have to eat pizza. True or false? False. Why? don't eat pizza daily because it is a junk food. The fourth one, we should drink boiled water. Okay, yeah, we should drink only boiled water. Okay, it is true. The last one, energy giving food protects us from falling sick. True or false? False. Why? Yeah, energy giving food is not protects us from falling sick. Which food protects? Productive food. Productive food protects us from falling sick, not energy giving food. Energy giving food gives us energy. Okay. Then see, name the following two food items from plants. Which are the two food items we get from plants? Yes, cabbage, pumpkin. Okay. Two food items from animals. Which are the two food items we get from animals? Yes, egg, meat, okay, milk. Okay. Two junk food items. Which are right two junk food items? Yes, pizza, burger, sandwich, etc. Okay. Two bodybuilding food items. Bodybuilding food items. Which are the bodybuilding food items? Yeah, fish, meat. Okay. Two energy giving food items. Which are the energy giving food items? Yes, very good. Potato, butter. Okay, very good. Then you have to take page number 21. D. Vegetables are important ingredients in making many food dishes. Okay. If you have to make dishes, variety dishes we are making, we use the ingredients like vegetables. Find any two vegetables used in making the following food items. Here some food items names are given. In that food items you have to write any two vegetables used in these food items. Okay, just we have to look out. Sambar. Which are the two vegetables we used in sambar? Yeah, drumstick. What is drumstick? Muringakol. Okay, drumstick. Then bottle gourd. Okay. Then sandwich. What are the ingredients used in sandwich? Yes, onion, tomato. Okay. What are the ingredients used in stuffed parantha? Yeah, potato, cauliflower. And poha. Which are the ingredients used in poha? I think that is a North Indian food. Yeah, onion and tomato. Okay. Then what are the ingredients we used in pickle? Mango, lemon. Okay. Then raita. Raita. Which are the vegetables we have to add in raita? Cucumber and green chilli. Okay, these are the vegetables used in making the following food items. Now I will ask some questions, you have to answer it. Okay, are you ready for that? Yes. Now I will ask the questions, you have to answer it. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Say loudly. Yes. Okay, the first question, write two examples of productive food. Please give me two examples for productive food. Yes, very good. Fruits, milk. Okay, these are the examples for productive food. What is a meal? What is a meal? Yes, meal is the food. Meal is the food that we eat at a particular time of a day. There are three main meals. Which are the three main meals? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. These are the three main meals we have to use every day. Write any three good food habits. Say any three good food habits. Okay, eat lots of fruits and leafy vegetables. Then, okay, chew your food properly. Do not in hurry. Do not eat in hurry. Then, only that much? Okay, then which are the three? Eats lots of fruits and leafy vegetables. Chew your food properly. Do not eat in hurry. Then, what is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? Yes, balanced diet is which contains all the nutrients from each food group in right amount. What is a balanced diet? It is very important question. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is which contains all the nutrients from each food group in right amount. This is called balanced diet. Who are vegetarians and non-vegetarians? Yes, in the simple way we have to say only vegetables eat. That means we vegetarians food items, only vegetarian food items eat. That people we call vegetarians, and some of them eating meat, milk, egg, like that food items eat. They are called non-vegetarians. That we have to say in simple ways. People who like to eat food from plant sources like milk and milk products are called vegetarian. People who like to eat food from plant sources, milk and milk products are called vegetarians. Okay. Then people who like to eat food from animal sources are called non-vegetarian. Those who eat in plant sources called vegetarian, and those who are eating in animal sources called non-vegetarian. Okay. Now, I will give you a homework. In your EVS notebook, you have to draw this diagram. Okay, draw this diagram. Then write the ingredients used to making the following food items. Okay, that you have to draw, and you have to write in the same way. And the same way also you have to draw. Okay, already I give the answer. Then you have that same you have to copy to your notebook. Okay, that is a homework for you. And today we are going to wind up. Thank you and have a nice day.